Alright guys, so as you can see, we've got a little scuff there. This landing gear came completely out. I'm not sure what exactly happened there. Of course, it was not a perfect landing, but I've seen and done way worse than that and had zero issues. Of course, that tip tank is certainly not in mint condition anymore. With all that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and check the links in the description of the video.
I think we've come to the right place. We were wondering if you can help us. We just got ours and we are having a really difficult time.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the trainer Cub.
Yep. He got it from my son.
Okay.
But they can't even figure out how to take off.
Oh boy.
So we saw you guys and I was like, we're gonna go ask.
In spite of that last landing,
No,
we're expert. Well, this thing, it came loose.
Video, I think, right?
Yep. Yep. We've got YouTube channels.
I bet he's probably watched you because he watches videos of
Oh, cool.
Oh, yeah.
Very cool, buddy.
He's a YouTuber. Holy smokes!
Yeah, start now, then
he tells me that's what he wants to be when he grows up.
Car with YouTube money.
There you go.
No joke.
Yeah, a lot of kids have done really well doing that.
What do you say? Hi.
So what are you trying to do with this?
Well, just get
Fly
in the
it.
air.
You got the battery in and charged and balanced and spare parts.
Battery, yeah, battery charged and everything, yeah.
And it
Okay.
just won't take off. Well,
We'll
keeps
turn it on.
crashing.
Let's see what. Make sure all your controls and stuff are right.
He's watched hours of videos.
Okay.
I've got about 10 minutes before I need.
I've got more time if need be. The GPS might be what's giving you problems.
I've seen that in a couple of videos.
Yeah.
You'll have to turn it off.
It's not terribly reliable.
You don't have this one, right?
No, I don't, but I've heard and read about some of it.
Yeah, so
Yes.
that means you got it.
Okay.
The original version of like the GPS and the safe, I had to literally snip the wire off because it was causing
really?
crashes. Yeah.
Oh,
really?
One of my bigger videos early on was we were out here and it just kept crashing.
I'll have to
Like it
watch
was fine on the ground, everything would move. As soon as you get in the air, it would not respond at all.
Okay, so the safe must be on there. So that. Okay, so there's no safe.
I told my son this isn't like a little RC plane. This is
Yeah.
a big boy
So which one
RC.
does the